Hello everyone, and welcome to this hands-on tutorial on information needs and searching practice. In today's digital world, the ability to find accurate and relevant information is crucial. Whether you are a student, researcher, or professional, mastering search strategies will help you make informed decisions and solve complex problems. Before we begin the hands-on practice, let's quickly review the practice document, starting with its description and objectives. This task is designed to help you develop essential skills in browsing, searching, and filtering digital content while refining your ability to identify information needs and conduct effective searches to solve academic and professional problems. As you can see, there are two key tasks. Task 1 is for students with access to EBSCOhost Web, and Task 2 is for students without access using Google Scholar instead. Now that we understand the objectives of this hands-on practice, let's begin the practical task. We'll start by exploring EBSCOhost Web, a subscription-based platform that provides access to peer-reviewed journals and academic research. It offers structured search tools and advanced filters to refine results effectively, helping users find high-quality and relevant sources for their studies. Please note that your institution must have access to the EBSCOhost Web database to use this platform. Let's begin by searching for EBSCOhost Web in Google. In most cases, your institution provides access through a library portal, so make sure to log in using your institutional credentials. We can click on the EBSCOhost Web. Once logged in, you'll see the EBSCOhost home page, where you can perform searches, browse different databases, and apply filters to refine your results. Now we can perform a basic search. In the text area, we can type, for example, search term artificial intelligence in education. Yes, artificial intelligence in education. We can click here and we can now start searching. We can click on the search button. Okay, we got some results, search results that you can see. There is the search results. And now that we have our search results, let's refine them. First, we'll filter for peer-reviewed journals and ensure academic quality. You can click on the peer review button. Yes. A little bit waiting, yes. And next, we'll select a publication date range of the last 5 years to focus on recent search. For example, past 5 years. Okay. And finally, we enable the full text filter so that we can access complete articles immediately. We can click on the full text button. And the results is decreasing. And now let's open an article to examine its relevance. The abstract provides a summary of the research. We can click on the, for example, on the second article. And now, for example, you can download access to PDF, access now PDF, or download to computer. You can click on download. Yes, we click on the full text and now we can download it. Preparing your file. Click to save. And we downloaded the file, The Role of Artificial Intelligence in the Future of Language Teaching and Learning Practices in Higher Education. And we see there is the abstract also. And here we got all the article for our purposes. And this is the references article, and you can use it for your citation or your publication, writing this, for example, article. Now let's use the advanced search feature. Click on Advanced Search and enter your search term. We can enter the search term that we used earlier. Artificial intelligence in education. This time choose title to find articles where the term appears in the title. Okay, click title and click search. Okay, now there are search results that the term that we entered appear exactly in the ebooks and articles in the titles. And also we don't forget to apply the same filters we used earlier. Peer review. Yes, peer review journals. Publication date all time we can choose past 5 years. Yes. And full text. And we see that their search results is decreasing. And you'll notice differences in the results when you compare the basic search with the advanced search. And using the advanced search feature, we can refine our search more easily by selecting the title instead of all fields. We ensure the results are highly relevant to our topic. Notice how this number of search results changes also with the filters.
Now, let's compare the results of a basic search versus an advanced search in EBSCOhost Web. On the top half of the screen, you can see the results of a basic search using the keyword Artificial Intelligence in Education. This search returned 1,822 results, which includes a broad range of articles related to the topic. While this may provide many relevant sources, it also includes less specific results, making it harder to find precisely what you need. On the bottom half, we have the results of an advanced search, where we specified that the search term must appear in the title of the article by using the field code TI, title. This significantly narrowed the results to 574 articles, ensuring that every result is more directly relevant to the topic. This approach helps eliminate less relevant sources and allows you to focus on studies that are more targeted to your research needs. By using advanced search techniques, you can refine your search results, making them more precise, more manageable, and more relevant to your research questions. This is especially useful when working on assignments, literature reviews, or academic projects where specificity and relevance are key. Now, let's move on to task 2, searching in Google Scholar which is designed for students who do not have access to EBSCOhost Web. Google Scholar is a free academic search engine that provides access to scholarly literature from a wide range of disciplines, including journal articles, conference papers, theses, books, and patents from academic publishers, universities, and research institutions. Unlike EBSCOhost Web, Google Scholar does not organize content into structured subject categories or databases. Instead, it relies on keyword searches to retrieve relevant results. Because of this, using precise search terms, applying filters, and evaluating sources carefully is crucial to finding high-quality academic materials. One key advantage of Google Scholar is that it does not require authentication or an institutional login. Anyone can access and search for academic content freely. However, while some articles are available in full text, others may only provide abstracts, requiring you to check university repositories, publisher websites, or institutional access options for full access. To effectively use Google Scholar, we will focus on refining search queries, using phrase searches with quotation marks, applying date filters, and assessing source credibility based on citation counts.
First, we need to search for Google Scholar in Google search engine. And we type Google Scholar. Click enter. And now we need to click on the first search result and you will be taken into the Google Scholar homepage. Since Google Scholar is a free academic search engine, there is no need to log in or authenticate to access it. Now let's perform a basic search in Google Scholar using the phrase artificial intelligence in education without quotation marks. And we can select or write artificial intelligence in education. And now we need to set the custom range, for example, last 5 years. We can click search. All these filters are good, sort by relevance, any type, and include citations. And now when we enter this term and enter the custom range of year, Google Scholar retrieves approximately 81,600 results. This happens because Google Scholar searches for all words separately, meaning the articles shown might include the words artificial, intelligent, and education anywhere in the text, but not necessary as an exact phrase. And we can save our, for example, first article to the bookmarks. We can cite it. We see the large number of cited by the other authors. We can see the related articles and all 11 versions of this article. And for example, we can click on it and you see it redirected to the other databases, for example, and there is the authors here. You can see that there is the abstract here, and we can also download the PDF file of this article first. And we see that there is the abstract, main content of the article, and in the end of the article we see there is the conclusion and references. Going back to the Google Scholar results, as you can see, while many of the results are related to our topic, they might also include some papers where these words appear separately rather than together in a meaningful context. and this can make it harder to find highly relevant sources, requiring more effort to filter and refine the results. Now, let's refine our search by using quotation marks around the phrase. So, we enter artificial intelligence in education instead. And this tells Google Scholar to search for these words exactly as they appear in the specific order. Okay, we can write quotation marks and click the search icon. And with this search technique, the number of search results decreases significantly because Google Scholar only retrieves documents where the exact phrase appears in the title, abstract, or body of the text. This helps eliminate unrelated or loosely connected articles and ensures that our results are more specific to our research topic. By using quotation marks, we increase the precision of our search, making it easier to find the most relevant academic sources without having to shift thousands of unrelated documents. Okay, for our final search experiment, we will use the all in title operator in Google Scholar to retrieve results where our search phrase appears only in the title of the article. This is one of the most precise search techniques available and helps to significantly narrow down our results to the most relevant sources. To do this, we enter all in title artificial intelligence in education in the search bar by using all in title before our phrase, and Google Scholar ensures that all words in our query appears in the title of the article rather than just anywhere in the text. We can do it, as I said in the beginning, write all in title query, or we can click from the advanced search bar and click search in the title of the article. Click search icon. And as you can see, the number of the results has decreased significantly compared to our previous searches. This is because only articles where the exact phrase appears in the title are included in the results. This method is especially useful when you need highly specific research papers and want to avoid spending time filtering through thousands of unrelated results. This advanced search technique is particularly helpful when conducting literature reviews or looking for highly specialized research on a particular topic. Now that we explored multiple search methods, let's summarize what we learned and how you can apply these techniques in your academic work.
When searching for artificial intelligence in education in Google Scholar without quotation marks, we get approximately 81,600 results. This happens because Google Scholar treats each word separately, retrieving articles where artificial, intelligence, and education appear anywhere in the text, leading to a broad and sometimes less relevant set of results. By placing quotation marks around the phrase, the number of results drops to approximately 23,100 since Google Scholar now searches for the exact phrase, ensuring more precise and relevant results. For even greater accuracy, we use the align title colon operator, which limits the results to only those where the exact phrase appears in the title of the article. This further reduces the results to approximately 2,950, filtering out less relevant content and highlighting the most focused studies on the topic. Choosing the right search method depends on your research needs. Broad searches work for general exploration, while quotation marks and al in title provide higher accuracy and relevance, making them ideal for academic research. Now, finally, let's compare the research results from EBSCOhost and Google Scholar, where the search was performed only on article titles while applying the same filter settings. In EBSCOhost, we used an advanced search with the TI title field to search for articles where Artificial Intelligence in Education appears in the title. After applying filters for peer-reviewed journals, full text availability, and a publication date range of the last 5 years, we received 574 results. Since EBSCOhost provides access to structured academic databases, the results are highly relevant, coming from well-established journals and peer-reviewed sources. In Google Scholar, we use the al_title: operator, which similarly restricts the search to articles where the phrase appears in the title. With the same filter settings, the search returned 2,950 results. While this number is significantly higher than in EBSCOhost, it includes articles from a broader range of sources, including institutional repositories, conference papers, and preprints, which may not always be peer-reviewed. This means that while Google Scholar provides more results, users must carefully evaluate the credibility and scholarly rigor of each source.
Today, we explored two essential academic search tools, EBSCOhost Web and Google Scholar. You learned how to refine search results, apply advanced filters, and evaluate the credibility of academic sources. These skills will help you conduct more effective research, whether for assignments, projects, or professional studies. Thank you for joining this hands-on practice session.